An emotional, somber Alex Murdaugh testifying for more than 6 hours today. He broke down several times and admitted to lying to investigators about his whereabouts the night his wife and son were killed. Murdaugh says that's only because he wasn't thinking clearly.
Most of all, I'm sorry to Mags and Pawpaw. I would never intentionally do anything to hurt either one of them.
Murdaugh spoke about his family life, his love for his wife Maggie, and his bond with his youngest son Paul. The court adjourned about 30 minutes ago. They will be back tomorrow morning at 9:30. WSAV's Andrew Davis was in the courtroom for what can only be described as riveting testimony. Andrew is joining us now live at the courthouse in Colleton County.
Absolutely true, Tina. It's something that everybody's been watching for and waiting for basically 2 years plus now. And a defiant Alex Murdaugh, in the first 3 minutes of his testimony, said simply, "I love my wife. I loved Paul," and that there was no way that he could take a gun and shoot either of them ever. It was just the beginning of 5 hours plus on the stand, closer to 6 for the murder suspect who denied his role in the killings, but did not deny lying and stealing.
But once I lied, I continued to lie, yes, sir.
Why?
Oh, what a tangled web we weave. But once I told the lie, I told my family, I had to keep lying.
Now, Murdaugh admitted to lying about being at the kennels the night of the murder after getting caught on video. He blamed it on his addiction, saying it made him paranoid, but also said he distrusted SLED investigators as well. Alex admitting he stole from the law firm, from clients, and that he wanted to die in September of 2021 when he asked Eddie Smith to come to the side of the road and kill him. But he denied he was reading text messages for hours after the murders or Googling restaurants. Alex did continue to talk about something else, though, the threats that Paul got after the boat crash that killed Mallory Beach, and how he thinks they could be connected to the killings.
What were you referring to?
I was referring to Paul got so many threats. Didn't take serious. Think twice about. So I'm just telling him, Paul, I should have known.
Now, when he was asked if he was ready to answer the questions from prosecutors, Alex said, "You can ask me anything you want." And they did. The state focused on Alex's admissions of lies and stealing from clients, going one by one through all the people that he took thousands of dollars from, specifically pushing the fact that he looked people in the eye and lied to them. The jury listened intently to all of Alex's admissions, both in the morning and the afternoon. At one point, a juror felt bad for him and pushed a box of Kleenex towards him while he was on the stand, talking about Paul and Maggie. Most of the time, the jurors were stone-faced, listening intently to what he had to say. And they're going to continue listening tomorrow. He's expected to do 3 to 4 hours at least more of testimony and cross-examination with prosecutors, and possibly more with the defense after that, before 2 expert witnesses are called, and potentially the defense could rest its case. In Walterboro, Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Andrew, thank you. The Murdaugh case has gotten worldwide attention. The lines to get into the courtroom have been long since the trial started. We talked to one spectator who drove all night from New York to get a seat inside the courtroom.
Well, I've been watching it every day. I think it's such an interesting trial. It's actually hard to believe that in such a beautiful small town that something so crazy will go on. So we felt we had to come down here and see what all this hoopla is about the Murdaugh family.
If you cannot watch our live coverage of the trial, you can keep up with our daily live blog. To see that, as well as our previous stories, go to wsav.com/Murdaugh. We will, of course, resume our coverage tomorrow morning when Alex Murdaugh returns to the stand.